Nick Jr. Holiday Workshop. Tap play to start. It was almost Christmas. The season had come, and all the Nick Jr. friends were ready for fun. They so loved the holiday, the songs, and the snow. And Santa, of course, with his big ho ho ho. They wished they could visit his workshop and play. And Shimmer and Shine made that happen with a boom zarmay. Into their Christmas book did the friends hop to go and see Santa in his North Pole workshop. Welcome to Santa's workshop. Santa's getting ready for Christmas, and now your Nick Jr. friends get to help him. Will you help too? There are 4 things to do to help Santa get ready for Christmas. To get started, tap on what you want to do to help in Santa's workshop. Rubble's Toy Time, Genie Gift Wrap Divine, Revved Up Sleigh Ride, Stocking Stuff-O-Matic. Tap the one you want. Rubble is helping Santa build the most pawsome toys ever. Will you help Rubble build the toys? Great! First, tap on the perfect toy head. Amazing! You can pick bodies and legs too. Tap on the blue arrows to find more toy parts. Keep customizing your toy. Tap the green Done button to watch your toy come to life. Looking good! Terrific toy making! Great toy building! You could run this workshop! Keep customizing your toy! Or, if you want to go back, tap here. I'm loving this toy! Tap the one you want. Tap the one. Shimmer and Shine are wrapping presents so Santa can deliver them to all the girls and boys on Christmas. Will you help them wrap the gifts? Great! Here comes a present that needs wrapping right now. Each present needs wrapping paper, a ribbon, and a tag. We need to wrap as many as we can before time runs out. Tap the wrapping paper that matches the present. Perfect! Awesome! You're doing a magical job helping those genies. Wow, that's a match. Way to go! That's a wrap. Keep wrap. Wow, you sure can rap. You're doing ready for the holidays. Wow, that's some genie-rific rapping. Ready for the holidays. You're doing a magical job helping those genies. That's a match. That's some genie-rific rapping. Wow, ready for the holidays. Keep rapping. We've got to get these gifts. Wow, you sure can rap. Ready for that's a rap. Ready. You're doing a magic. Keep rapping. We've got to get these gifts wrapped. Wow, that's a wrap. Wow, you sure can. Great job. Look how many presents we wrapped. Tap the one you want. Santa needs to fly over the rooftops to deliver Christmas presents. And Blaze and you get to help him. Tap up and down to move Blaze and Santa. When you see a chimney with a present above it, fly over it to drop off a holiday gift. Perfect delivery! Right down the chimney. Don't forget to collect snowflakes for extra holiday cheer. Drop off all the gifts to make ho ho ho! Way to go! Keep your eyes open for wreaths. They'll give Blaze a holiday speed burst. Perfect delivery! Right down the chimney. Only one more present to go. That's all the gifts. This is going to be such a happy holiday for all. Tap here to go back. Tap the one you want. Rusty has made a machine to help Santa send presents right to stockings. The Stocking Stuff-O-Matic. We need to collect great gifts to stuff in each friend's stocking. When you see a gift for that friend's stocking, swipe to move the stocking underneath it to collect it. Try it. Let's collect spark plugs for Blaze. All right. Oh, yeah! Let's collect pup treats for Rubble. Swipe to move the stocking under a falling gift to catch it. Oops, that's for Santa. Try to catch more pup treats. That's the way. Let's collect Genie Gems for Shimmer and Shine. Nice catching. Way to go! Let's collect tools for Rusty. Swipe to move the stocking under a falling gift to catch it. Nice catch! Way to go! Way to stuff those stockings! Tap here to go back. Tap here to stuff even more stockings. And here's Santa!